up? Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying the holidays. Just made this short video after returning from my trip to Laos and Vietnam earlier in the year. I'll make a video of that trip, so I need to edit some footage though, so look out for that one. Anyway, when I got back from the trip, the bike was in serious need of a professional clean, so I took it along to the guys at Sumo Bike Wash in Bangkok. This is not a paid commercial, but I just thought the guys did a great job, so I thought I'd show some appreciation for their work. They do have several locations throughout Bangkok, so I'll drop a link to their website and Facebook, social media, etc. in the description below. Okay, hope you enjoy. Thanks.